Welcome back. Well, if you are looking for the crowning touch in your backyard or your front yard or an entrance to your home, I'm here with the people at Faux Products in Kyle Ann. We are so impressed with what you have. This creation here is a personal creation of your own, but tell us a little bit about the features and benefits of the products that you've used.
Well, our products are lightweight. It's a faux product, but it's made with real rock. The products that we do use in manufacturing our rock are actually used in the aerospace industry. So they're very lightweight, yet durable, strong. They can withstand temperatures as high as 280 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as 50 below zero. They don't crack or chip, and you can power wash them, and they're virtually indestructible.
So they're like real rock without the weight.
Absolutely.
That is something. I hefted a piece of it over here. I would have had to been Hercules to lift a real rock like that, but it didn't weigh much at all. Now, you said this is very durable. How about a fountain like this? How is this going to react differently than real stone might react?
Well, with real stone, the disadvantages of using real stone is the weight. A lot of times people want to put water features in areas where you can't get the heavy equipment in that's necessary to lift the big rock. In this case, it would take only one or maybe two men to lift it into place, and it's just an incredible product. Very easy to work with.
So wind and rain are not going to affect it. How about sunlight?
It's UV protected, and we offer a 10-year warranty with the product, and it's virtually indestructible.
Now, an indestructible product, it's going to look beautiful. How about using it around koi fish and those types of things, which is very popular? Is it safe?
It's very safe. In fact, we actually encourage people with our ponds to use the ponds for fish. It's fish and plant friendly. For pond enthusiasts who like moss, the moss will grow on our ponds because we incorporate real rock in the fish in the product. It's not just a finish.
So it is going to look more and more natural as the years go on.
As it ages, it gains that patina just like real rock.
Just real natural aging. Well, I tell you what, you have the interest of a lot of our viewers out there right now, and people who probably like to become dealers. What's the best way for them to learn more about Superior Faux Products?
Well, they can go to our website at www.superiorfauxproducts.com, and they can contact me through our website.
Well, again, we are so impressed. This has to be the best display that we've seen here at the International Pool and Spa Expo. Kyle Ann, thank you so much for being on Welcome Home.
Thank you, Bill.